think I've seen this one before. I can't even see what I'm recording. We got Mark IV Super. These dudes are from Michigan, dog. What the hell? We got Lonely Hell Keezy over here. You want someone fucking blowing their supercharger or whatever. It's my guy right here in the fucking undercover cop car. Damn, bro, this shit's hard. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Mopar boys. Big ass taxi. Really, nigga? My boy got the freaking V8 fucking wagon right here, then. The dream. I'm doing this out. Yeah, what with the damn Genesis Coolers? Got the bike, guys. Here goes my dream. You're good. Damn it, clean. It's me, but modded. It's me, but modded. Yo, I finally see a car that's modded like mine over here. Finally, bro. Bro. What in the hell? This shit is wicked. Slow down, cup. Oh, we got a track hawk. Is that track hawk Angel? It is. Oh, man. Shit clean. Bye, buddy. Okay, whatever. Bro, what is this? What is this? Bro, what the fuck, bro? I'm just watching. This nigga has police lights in his car. What the fuck? The Mopar boys and girls. There's a doll on the other side. Yes, sir. The Mopar boys. Look at this dude. My boy vibing.
Baby, you sound like Baby Shark because it go doo-doo-doo.
My boys is vibing, bro. My boy in the R8, yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, I know. Damn it. Yeah, right here, perfect, bro. They're all gonna line up right here, bro. Good shit.
Let's
go.
My hamstring fucked up.
Can
it be a group of 5? And that would be a group of 4?
Nah.
What a difference!
First floor.
Damn! He said damn.
Go!
Oh shit.
Oh, dang, you messed up.
What I tell you? What I tell you?
I'm like bucking it.
That goes Emmanuel.
You set. Go!
What's good, my guy?
What's up, bud?
Let's go with Tom King. Bad influence.
That shit sounds amazing, bro.
Up! Go!
Oh, that's what we're doing.
Set! Up! Up! Let her roll! Go, 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 go! There we go! There we go!
I'm now freaking out. I'm freaking out. I'm dead as hell. I'm really struggling.
Yeah! What's a good ball? Oh, this is good.
Man needs the gloves.
Oh, shit.
Damn, bro. My boy's knuckles is bleeding, bro. Bro, look at my guy on the hood, bro. Oh, God damn. Oh, shit. Nope. I mean... Yes, sir, my guy. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh my God, hit that shit. Rev it up, cuz. Oh my God, damn. Oh my God. I do it again. Y'all see that goofy ass nigga right there? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. He knows what I'm talking about.
Crowd killer.
Same Florida plates. Yes, sir. Let's go. Damn, bro. Yes, sir.
Gotta slide it, bro.
W spec Genesis right here.
W Genesis.
I know he's a spy, so that's he's spying on me, but he knew I was here, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The crowd killers. Trumpet boys, we got Pablo. Come on out. It's always the Genesis, bro. Oh my God, bro. Y'all better do Mopar things. Cut up.
Yes, sir.
Rev it up. Oh, my camera guy, it's my guy. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, we get it now. We get it, bro. What the fuck is that? That's the Honda? Sound pretty good.
Then again, it's okay.
My guy, my boy. What a civilized Mustang driver. And got this nigga Justin. Hey, yo, two-step, bro. Dude. God, that man is crazy. Oh my God. Go ahead and cut up, bro. Full send, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, boy. Cleaned up. Yeah, that shit clean. Nah, it actually sounds good. That's the type of exhaust I'm talking about. It sounds decent. Why are they going that way for? Like goofy ass.
Yeah, I got stock exhaust.
Oh my God, bro. Hell no. God damn, bro. Cut up, yes sir. Cut up, yes sir. Cut up. Cut up, bro. Yes sir.
Why is that guy want tacos?
What? That's the guy that wanted tacos?
Oh, they got the Memphis spec car. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Well, what the hell, boy? And you too.
Everybody leaving, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey, yo, the Corvette, Rabbit!
Oh my God, bro. It's a fucking menace. bro. Just straight rowdiness, dude. Then we got my boy Pop's Vlogs rolling out. Alright, Pablo.
Subscribe and like, comment.
Yes, sir.
It's not a V8, but it's still a D.
That 4-cylinder, though.
Sir. Alright.
Full send. I'm dead as hell, bro. We got recording. Dead as hell. The coppers. Yes, sir. Hey, God almighty, bro. Fucking hell. Bro, why is it always someone just trying to do some shit over here, bro? I just don't understand.